Make a great choice today with the 2016 GL Class. This 7-passenger luxury SUV has a great deal of interior space without huge exterior dimensions. The third row seat is roomy enough for all adults and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, leather upholstery, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, heated front seats, CD player. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.